Yes, hey everyone, this is Matt with Fogging Up Glasses from drawingtutorialsonline.com. We are here at the beautiful School of Visual Arts and we are here with Kayla. Kayla, how are you doing today?
I'm alright.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you're in first year of college here at the School of Visual Arts and you are in the animation department.
Yep, I am.
And what's your dream job?
My dream job, can't think of anything too specific right now, but probably something with storyboarding, I think.
All right,
Yeah.
fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, so Kayla has an awesome sketchbook. And Kayla, why don't you start flipping through it? And this is from the fall semester. We are 5 weeks now into the spring semester. And this is way back in September, right?
Yep.
So this was first week's homework. And this is a little bit of a bigger sketchbook, it seems like. What size is this?
Let me see. 9 by 12.
9 by 12,
9 by 12,
okay.
yeah.
And so obviously you like color.
I do. I like colors when I can add them.
Okay, and wait, just let me ask you a question. So what materials are you using on these pages?
Pen, pencil, highlighters.
Don't flip yet.
Okay.
Leave that one back.
Okay.
Pen and highlighters?
Yeah, pen and highlighters.
Okay, and so tell us a little bit about this page. Is it memory drawing, life drawing?
Yeah, these are like life drawings. I was with my classmates. We were at a cafe, and so I just drew the table and them. And then this is for a story structure class where we had to read something and then imagine what the character is like. So I did a few sketches on that.
That's really nice. Wow, that hand at the bottom, gorgeous, bottom left. And there's Chantel. Mateo.
Yep.
Okay, so just more out of your imagination.
Yep, these are based off of the game Among Us.
Okay.
Yep.
And are you into video games?
I like watching them a lot. I like watching streams and stuff.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. And how's your first year going here at the School of Visual Arts?
It's been going pretty good, I'd say. There's a lot of nights where I don't sleep, but I'm having fun. So.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. And would you say that you've improved? I can't talk today already. I can't talk. Wait, flip that sketchbook horizontally. We got to check that one out.
This? Yeah.
So, what have you found that you've improved the most on so far? That's gorgeous.
Thank you. I think what I've improved the most on is I've definitely improved a lot on being more polished with my work, I think, or
Okay.
being more clean. I think my anatomy's gotten better. I kind of have more understanding of values and such, I think.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you like to draw the cute stuff too, like.
I do, yeah.
Nice. And what would you say is your favorite thing to draw?
I think faces. I don't know if it's my favorite thing, but I do it so often.
Faces.
Yeah, it's like an instinctual thing to just draw faces and also just random poses, probably.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing a lot of homework, a lot out of your imagination, more homework over here. This is way back in September.
Way back.
Way
This
back.
is ode.
Nice job. And then just mixing it up a little bit.
Yep. I was watching streams and I was just doodling off.
Nice.
Yeah.
And be honest with me, how do you like the new classroom?
I think it's nice. It's very cozy. Everyone's tucked in there, I'd say.
Hold on a second. That's a great little face right over there. Beautiful. And that probably took you like no time at all.
Probably not. I didn't think much about it.
Yeah, and nice variety.
Thank
I
you.
see that you're in. Is that from Spider-Verse? Just kind of like messing around.
Oh yeah, it was. Like this is like the canonical character, but this is just a random character I was thinking of. I'd
Nice.
say. Yeah.
And this page is gorgeous. What's up with the shoes? Wow, jeez.
Oh yeah. It was someone's shoes on the subway.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
And you're a commuter.
I am a commuter.
And how long's your commute here to SVA?
If I'm lucky, it's an hour. If I'm unlucky, it'll take 2 hours.
Oh my God. Okay,
Yeah.
so 2 hours is just train delays.
Basically, yeah.
Okay, so this page is, I don't know, why you laughing? I think that page is like one of your best. Oh my God, what is that from?
It was also in my story structure class. I'm actually not allowed to draw, but I just can't help it because the class is so interesting to me. I just like listening to my teacher talk and drawing whatever he's
Well,
saying.
what's up with these pages? Like, it seems like you've switched gears and like the line work is stunning. And do you like these?
I think they're cool. They're mostly doodles for me, I'd say. I'm just going off on my brain. You can tell some of these don't make sense. This is based off of the Bad Seed. It's a little girl character who's evil. She's actually evil. So.
Yeah, still, that was really nice. And you're still in major experimentation mode, right?
I am. I am still in
So you're trying out all different techniques.
Definitely.
So we want to remind everybody on YouTube that Sketchbook in Matt's class is not about finishing and making a finished product. It's about exploration, experimentation, having fun, keeping your eye-hand coordination up to snuff, always drawing so your eye-hand coordination gets better and better and better and better. So that's what you're doing in here, and it's perfect. A little bit of the value ratios.
Yeah. Some class stuff, more class stuff.
Yeah, so
I like that poll I did.
Yeah, I did too. So you can draw with tone, but you would say you like line more.
Definitely. I think for me, I like adding. I'm a very sketchy person, so
Yes.
you can tell from here. My shading is very sketchy. It's not just blended or anything.
And these portraits are lovely. That was from life. The one on the left is homework. The one on the right is from life, and that is really good from life.
Thank you.
It's hard to do portraits with the mask on.
It is. It really is.
Still, with the mask, is nothing we can do about it. We just got to deal. And oh wait, flip that. That was like a little walk cycle that we did
Yep.
in class. So the model was walking on the floor and walking towards us. That was cool. And it was a little bit of portrait day as well.
This is the portrait shape of this.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
A little bit of light and shade. So you're shading in a linear way, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So you're kind of making it your own. Okay, wait, you got to flip that. So yeah, David over there, we were doing the figure in space to try to get the figure looking correct proportionally and perspective-wise in a room.
Mm-hmm.
And that is our old classroom, which we will not talk about.
Yeah, there's mold growing in there. Yeah.
Wait, we were not supposed to talk about it. Okay.
Yeah.
No, the facilities here at SVA are phenomenal. Just that room.
Yeah, just that room.
That room needs like a little refresher. But
Yeah.
the room that we're in now, I mean, I adore the room that we're in
Yeah,
now.
I
It's
think-
gorgeous.
I think it's definitely way better. Yeah.
Whoa, so that's from just a photo online?
Yep, it is.
I love that, like, you take chances and you get out of your comfort zone and you draw with tone.
Yeah.
And that's your grandmother?
It's my grandma. She was
Oh.
eating walnuts tonight, and I made her sit down so I can draw her.
And so you're doing a portrait primarily with line, and that's your go-to, and I think it looks amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, I've always been very sketchy. I feel like I've told myself that I don't really. I mean, I didn't tell myself this, but I've just never had patience. I think animation fits for me just because I'm always drawing so fast.
Plus, you love to talk.
I do.
You're a talker.
I'm a big talker.
And you're going to say that I'm a very, very good, flexible teacher for allowing you to talk in class, correct?
Yes, you do.
Do any of your other teachers say, Kayla, that's enough talking?
Not yet. No. I don't. No. I think I talk the most probably in your class.
You do. You're a talker, but I've learned to just roll with things.
Yep. This is last page was just a bunch of my other classmates. They were just drawing this like, oh, congrats, you finished your sketchbook.
Now, listen, do you have a new sketchbook?
I do.
Do you have it with you?
I do.
Come on, grab it. So I'll flip. So listen, everybody, let's just flip through a couple pages of the next sketchbook. With SVA, it gets really hot sometimes in the wintertime. Like you can see my glasses are fogging up. So you got to dress in layers when you come here. You got to dress. It's freezing outside today. But yeah, so this is your new one, and I allowed students to kind of do their own thing. You like this paper, I see.
I do. I actually like smaller sketchbooks because I just like drawing in, I don't know. I've always,
Okay.
I enjoy these.
All right, cool. So, oh wow. Okay, let me just, very nice. Mixing it up. Now, what is this from, all of this stuff?
This is from life drawing class. I use my sketchbook instead of my
Oh,
big
you
drawing
do?
book. Yeah. This was also from life drawing. I did it with my little sketchbook instead.
Okay, cool. How many weeks ago was it? I don't even remember.
Well, this is probably before winter break.
Okay.
Yeah. So just my own indulgence in art. Same with this one.
Nice.
Drew an initial mermaid I didn't like, so I just started drawing over it.
That's cool.
This is a comic that I did.
Oh, wow. I wonder if those are all of your classmates outside.
Ah, I wonder too.
I can hear Chantel, I think. All right, cool. These are beautiful. Yeah, that's Chantel. Oh my God.
Yep.
They're getting ready to go upstairs. So, I mean, this is a real, your animation style, your cartoony style is really coming out in this sketchbook. That was probably the end of last semester. And
Chantel.
yeah.
This
Nice.
is Chantel.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a Chantel sketchbook in the future. So you're using all the colors I would probably never use. Purples, yellows, pinks.
Yep, I'm going all around.
You make them look good. You make them look really good.
Thank you.
All right, well, how far along are we in this new sketchbook? Because this one's gonna be hard for everybody on YouTube to kind of...
I think so. Let me see. We're going far in.
Yeah, let's just keep going, but let's not flip it sideways. Let's just keep it one way because we're gonna make everybody dizzy. So you just flip,
Okay.
and I'll have everyone on YouTube turn their heads. Let's see. Unless I just want you to go a little bit faster.
Okay.
These are beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, so how long do you spend per page?
It depends on what I'm drawing. Like these don't take too long, so I'll just go crazy. Maybe like
Okay.
a couple minutes. That's one on this side.
Yeah.
I draw a lot in my story structure class, which my teacher says we shouldn't be doing to pay attention.
Yes.
But I tend to just listen to what he's saying, so I
Yes.
can not just draw.
Yeah, I mean, I think artists hear things better when they actually draw and listen. Because just using that right side of the brain. Very cool.
Thank you.
Now, if we could show you Kayla's life drawings in class, they're like some of the best life drawings. And they aren't as stylized as the sketchbook pieces. And I wish I can show you that. Maybe we'll do that one day towards the end of this semester. They're really good. How long do you think this sketchbook has taken you so far?
I could do probably like 10 pages in the span of an hour, just
Gosh.
because when I'm motivated and I hear something that I'm really interested in, I think like these, I was just listening to my teacher talk about a certain movie,
Okay.
and I was imagining the scenes and I just drew them out. Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful. That one you gotta flip. Nice work. Very nice. Life drawing.
Yep, for my classmates. Where's my classmates? This is more of my classmates as well. Should I flip this one?
Yeah. Why not? Awesome sauce. So we're just trying to show a variety of styles here on the channel, and I hope that Kayla's work has given you some ideas here. We like to mix it up, and I like to represent a whole bunch of different student styles. And everybody's different who watches my channel. Some people like to do the long drawings. Some people just like sketchbooks. So I'm trying to, give you all variety. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Kayla, do you have any social media you want to promote? Like you have an Instagram and all of that?
I do, but they're mostly for fan art. I don't know if everyone liked them, but
Okay.
yeah.
Well, you're going to give it to me before the end of the day, and I'll post Kayla's social underneath the video.
Yeah, I think that's
All right, that's perfect timing. Kayla, thank you so much for sharing.
Thank
I
you.
really do appreciate it. And we're both a little bit late to class, right? All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Make sure to like the video, okay? See ya.